Hello everyone, welcome back to Get Droid Tips. If Valorant won't play, get stuck on installing Vanguard, or keep showing the play button without opening the game, you are in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through a few simple steps that can fix the problem and get Valorant running again. Let's get started. First thing is, you have to close all Riot processes. To do that, first of all, you have to right click on the taskbar and you have to open the task manager. Once you are in the task manager, you have to tap on the details. So once you are in the details, you simply search on the Riot, R-I-O-T. So here you will find all the Riot Client application running. So all you have to do is you have to end task one by one. So just go and end task, end process, and again end task, end process, and even this one end task, end process. That's it. Now close the task manager and let's move on to the second step. Now, in the second step, you have to remove the old Vanguard services. To do that, you have to open the command prompt cmd and right click on it, run as administrator. This window will open. Now, simply type in SC delete VGC, which means for Vanguard. Okay, now hit enter. So it will show delete service success. And now again enter the command SC delete VGK and hit run. Now this has to be done, and now restart the computer. Once you have restarted the computer, now open File Explorer, Program Files, and look for Riot Vanguard.
Now look for the Riot Vanguard folder, and once you find it, simply delete it. Delete the complete folder. Once you have done that,
In the next step, launch the Riot Client. Once it is open, you have to log in. Let me log in through Google. So once you are logged in, open Valorant. So here is it. Click on it. Now let's click on the update. So it will start updating a fresh installation. Wait for the installation to finish and then you will see a play button. So make sure to restart your computer before tapping on the play button. Let's restart our computer. After restarting, press Windows R to open the run command. First type ncpa.cpl. Okay, click enter and look for the connected internet and go to property and make sure to disable internet protocol version 6 and activate internet protocol version 4. Double click on it and here prefer DNS. Make sure to make it as 8. That is Google DNS. 8.8. Alternate DNS as 8.4.4. That's it. Now, once it is done, click OK. That's it. Now, let's move on to the next step. Okay. Once again, Windows R to open the command and enter services.ms and click enter. Once you are done that, click V button to go into the V section. So here you will find VGC. Double tap on it. Make sure to make it as automatic and click apply. OK. Now close it. Now launch the Riot application once again. Then click play button. The game should now launch normally without getting stuck on installing Vanguard. That's it. If this guide helped you fix the issue, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comments which step worked for you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.